In this video, I am going to explain two audio terms. The first audio term I want to talk about is frequency. Look at this photo now. What you see here is a coast that sea waves come. The question here is how many number of sea waves come to this coast in 1 hour? We can go to a coast and count these sea waves in 1 hour and we may get different values. But here our goal is just for demonstration. Let's say 100 waves in 1 hour. In this case, 100 is the frequency of sea waves. So, frequency is the number of occurrences in a certain time range. Similarly, we can think of sound waves like you see in this picture at the top right. The girl is shouting. Let's say she is making 100 sound waves in 1 second. This is the frequency of sound waves. Unit of measure for sound waves is hertz, short Hz, like meter for measuring the length of an object. 1000 Hz is equal to 1 kilohertz, like gram and kilogram for weight measurement. The second audio term is sample rate. Look at this military barracks illustration at the top left corner. And what you see here at the bottom left corner is one of the guards of this military barracks. Let's assume that the guard regularly goes around the barracks to check any possible threats. The thing that he is going to do is to walk around the fence and scan around with his torch if the time is night. The question here about this guard is how many times the guard walks around this barracks in 1 hour. Let's say the guard is making 10 cycles per hour. So that means 10 times in 1 hour the guard walks around the barracks and gets information. Like the guard of this military barracks, an audio recording hardware such as a microphone scans around to attempt to capture sound waves in 1 second. That is called sample rate. Sometimes you go to a supermarket and what you see there, some girls are trying to give you a small piece of cake or any other kind of food to taste, like the girl in this picture here. What this girl is saying is that this is a sample from the whole cake, and this small piece of cake is going to give you enough information about the whole cake. An audio recording device is doing the same as this girl is doing here. Audio recording device is attempting to take samples of sound which represents the whole sound in the environment. There are some standard values for sample rate. For CD quality recording, sample rate is 44,100 hertz. In this case, the microphone is trying to capture sound from the environment 44,100 times in 1 second. For DVD quality recording, sample rate is 48,000 Hz, or sometimes it is shortened as 48 kilohertz.